What's up, HCMC stockholders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the HCMC stock. Just watch this video, my friends. Just watch this video and never miss this video any second, my friends. Please, first of all, I request everyone to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe now. Hope you all subscribe my channel. You know what, my friends, in this time the HCMC stock is going positive. I'm talking about the current situation of the HCMC stock. You can see here the currently at this time move of the HCMC is going positive, my friends. You can see here at this time. So that is why from this good news I want to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe now, my friends. At this time the price of the HCMC stock is going neutral, and you know what, my friends, today public opinion is that they goes neutral. It seems like that if you look the price changes after HCMC stock. So now at this time the situation is again fast down, but you can see a negative 4.33% price fast down at this time in the last minute, my friends. But if you look the previous changes of the HCMC stock, so the price change, you can see again, you can see the people opinion is that the price changes of the HCMC stock is neutral. So at this time price change, you can see it 0.00%. So at this time today price of the HCMC stock is going neutral, not take a jump, not falls down. So you can see here, my friends, at this time the price is, but you know what, my friends, what is the a lot of chances to the price will pump. There is a lot of chances to the price will pump in the future, my friends. That is my opinion, and you know what, my prediction is also 100% positive about HCMC stock. I believe that they will give you good amount of profit and the price will very soon increase, my friends. And if you want more updates about HCMC stock, so the high price of HCMC stock, low price, you can see here every update is present here. Opening price, pre-close, opening, every update is present on the screen, my friends. You can easily read this update, my friends. So how do you feel today about HCMC stock? Tell me in the comment box. And you know what, my friends, I'm feeling good about HCMC stock. How do you feel? Tell me in the comment box. And please, my friends, I told you in the start of this video that please subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. Thanks for watching this video.